Kantahin natin itong kanta ni Mr. Andy William, Where Do I Begin? Paborito ito ng father ko. Sa tuwing naririnig ko ito, namimiss ko yung aking mahal na ama. Father, kung saan ka man ngayon naroon, alam kong masaya ka. Kantahin ko itong paborito mo, Father. Lagi mo itong kinakanta dati nung ako'y bata pa. Ngayon, try natin. Mr. Andy William, Where Do I Begin? Music, please. Oh, para sa aking father at para po sa inyong lahat na mga nanonood sa aking video. Where do I begin to tell the story of the great of love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she's bring to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty words of mine. There's never be another love, another time. She come into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart when every special day with angel song, with one imagination. She fills my soul with so much love that anything where I go, I'm never lonely with her alone. Or could be lonely, I reach for his hand. It's all worth it. Oh yeah. How long does this last? Can love be measured by the hour and the day? I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all born away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by hour and day? I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all born away, and she'll be there. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, Father.